Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and today we're gonna go back to the basics and do a simple good old makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I've been here on my channel. I started school, a lot of stuff has happened on the internet, and so today I'm just here to give you a little bit of an escape. We're maybe gonna talk about a few things, but mainly we're just gonna roll on, do our makeup. We're just gonna do a chatty makeup tutorial. It's also currently 7:36 at my house. Well, 7:36 now. So if the lighting is a little bit weird. Also, if you're wondering why do I have like a patch of foundation, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a patch of foundation here. It's because I have this big red, like, you're gonna really gag when I'm gonna say this, but like juicy pimple, and I'm not trying to have you guys disgusted like as soon as you enter this video. So for my sake and for the sake of this pimple, I decided to like hide it. Also, like, I was breaking out really badly, still breaking out pretty badly on my forehead, but it's not that bad, not gonna lie. Like, honestly, I'm not really mad at it. Like, so first things we're gonna talk about is can you just stop shaming people that have acne, skin, like texture on their skin? Like, don't you think it's natural? Like, it's so dumb. It's so dumb that you would judge someone because of their skin. Like, what the hell? Why would you do that? Are you this entitled that you think that you have power over someone's skin? Like, what the hell? No. I'm gonna take from the Jouer Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna take the red shadow, oh my god, right here. Okay, and I am gonna apply this very deep into my crease. In this video, I'm not gonna mention any like YouTuber name that has either like been exposed, that has really like been talking too much about the issues regarding the current state of beauty YouTubers and gurus. But I am gonna say this. Recently, someone who really took it into their hands to really make a positive thing out of this situation is Anastasia. You guys probably know her. I mention her in all my damn videos because I love her so much. You probably know her from either Twitter or Instagram. She's a super talented makeup beauty influencer. She does those super colorful rainbow looks. She's known for basically just slaying the game no matter what, her inner corner star, and just being overall a very educated and like awake person. Like, she not sleeping, you feel me? So don't sleep on her. Rocio has been recently talking in one of her recent videos. She has one video where instead of just, like adding to the drama, talking about the gurus getting exposed and all of this, she's literally just giving a place to smaller artists, and she featured a bunch of them, which I thought was really good because I actually went to check out quite a few of them. I'm actually taking the red shadow on a Jouer Cosmetics number 9 brush from their marble set, which is honestly like literally one of my favorite crease brushes. My next step is very predictable. Like, if you've even been here for like only a day, like if you've even watched like one of my videos, you probably know this. I'm gonna take again the same palette, dip into the two yellows right here, these two ones right over here, and I am gonna buff the edges of the red. So yeah, so Rocio's been promoting like smaller artists, which I really like because it helps me discover new people. Also helps me like finding, you find the truest, the realest, the most passionate that way. And finding people that are passionate about makeup nowadays, it's a little hard, I'm not gonna lie. Like a lot of people mentioned, people want to be a beauty influencer for the money because it's apparently quick and easy money. Now, again, get your money, sis. I'll be the first person to tell you not to be guilty about your earnings. I don't think you should ever be guilty about your earnings. Like, whatever, you should show it off if you want to show it off, and not show it off if you don't want to show it off. But you shouldn't be guilty about your earnings ever because you've worked hard for that money. I mean, unless you haven't. But you've worked hard for that money and you hustle hard for your income. So I've always been the type of person that doesn't understand like why people would get like bitter with you because you're showing up like things that you bought with your hard-earned coin. But of course, you know, there's always people out there. Like, I think to do makeup, it takes a lot of drive, it takes a lot of patience, and it takes a lot of brains. I think to be a beauty influencer, you have to be extremely smart about every move that you make, and you have to be very conscious about everything that you do. And it's a very demanding job, to say the least. Like, I'm not talking from experience, of course. I mean, I can talk from experience, telling you that producing these videos, it's not like a piece of cake. Of course not. Like, anyone that tells you it is, that, oh, like, be a beauty YouTuber, it's quick money. From the same palette, I'm gonna take the orange, and I'm gonna just keep, like, going between the yellows, the orange, and the red, because that's like a very classic me look. So again, make your money, but when you're not doing things for the right reasons, especially something that's as hard as social media, you're gonna give up quickly. And if you get up to a certain fame point, you're gonna get dropped quickly also, because it's not an industry that really likes to see fake. It's an industry that's full of fake. And I always joke with my best friends around, saying, be your fakest self, wear your fake lashes, fake nails, fake eyebrows, fake eye color, fake hair, like, do everything fake, as long as whatever you do makes you happy. But if there's one thing I don't think should be fake, it should be personality, because personality is everything. I remember my dad always tells me that something that, if you don't have to work hard for something, it isn't worth having. So I don't think social media is an easy job, and I don't think that for a reason. I'm now gonna take from the ABH Modern Renaissance the shade Love Letter right here. The shade Love Letter, I absolutely adore this shade. I use it a lot. So yeah, so like I was saying, just if you want to go into the social media realm, just make sure that you're actually passionate about it. You're actually passionate about it, because so many people work really hard. And if you're only here to clutter the industry with your money hungry self, then just don't come. And I do not care how harsh that sounds, because it's actually what I think, and it's actually what I believe. And if you disagree with me, then you're free to exit this video, of course. So I'm just making sure I'm buffing the Love Letter shade all into my eye, and we obtain a quite nice gradient, like so. I'm gonna go in with a glitter, but for now, I'm gonna take the shade Primavera from the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. It's a beautiful gold. So as you can see on the outer edge, I'm just gonna fade out the gold with my previous two shades, Love Letter and the Red Shadow. I'm just gonna tap it on the outer corner. Again, this is really not a creative look. It's simply just to be there, talk to you guys. It's a very fiery look though, so if you're an Aries, you might like her. I don't know the other fire signs, sorry. That's the only reason why I'm not telling you about the other ones. Now that it's looking blended, I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metal, what is it called again? Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess. It looks like this. Can you even see it? Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it's really pretty. Oh yeah. You can clearly see the difference now. I'm going to do the other eye off camera. I'm going to apply my SlayX Cosmetics Beverly lashes that I've worn way too many times. These are my favorite lashes. Use code CocoBeauty for 20% off. Check the disclaimer down below. And yeah, I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Oh guys, the tea is hot. It's burning. You know, like it's I got burnt. So I'm sorry you guys, like, because I was in school the whole week, like I have not been catching up with everything that's been happening. Of course, I'm always on Twitter, so I've seen everything kind of low-key go down, but now I'm actually like, you know, anyways. So today I'm gonna try out a new technique where I'm gonna try to buff my foundation with this brush. I don't know why I want to. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Mine is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Oh, this does kind of buff it up pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Anyways, guys, so I just want to know how you guys feel about the whole ordeal on YouTube right now. I obviously haven't watched like every single person's video because I'm literally just like really busy. And I'm not saying this to be like really high and mighty, like I'm too busy to check out anyone's video about the matter. It's really not that. It's just that she don't have time for drama. Oh my god, this foundation is really light. Oh my god, guys, I've been outside a little more recently, so you know. Verdict on this method of application is okay. Like, she been looking snatched and everything. We love that. Did y'all see the video Patrick started with Paris Hilton? That was iconic. I really like that. For concealer, you guys know the usual. Oh, my face looks so white. You guys know the usual. It's Born This Way and Maybelline Fit Loose Powder. I'm so sorry about how basic this like look is. A half glitter cut crease. I mean, the colors are nice though, right? I hope. Bake the nose, sister, because you don't want to have an oily nose. I don't bake for very long because then it gets like dry and crusty and I don't like that. I just kind of have to bake because my skin is a mess. To bronze the hell out of my skin, I'm gonna go with two bronzers. I'm gonna start with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It's a waterproof bronzer. Don't even know if it's gonna be dark enough, but I want to start with like something lighter just so I can start bronzing up my forehead. This one I'm gonna bring it really low on my forehead because see, it's barely doing anything. So I'm only gonna use this one on my forehead because my forehead is, it is what it is, you know. So now that we're done with that bronzer, we're gonna take the ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber. This is my favorite bronzer because it actually adds color to my face. You know, we love spending money on a product that actually works. Always fun. I'm gonna take a smaller, more precise brush and I'm gonna get onto the contouring of the cheeks like this. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Be right back. I did my lower lash line as well because that just takes a lot of time for no reason, for no razón. So I figured, sorry, I'm blending. I figured I just do it. We're now gonna do blush using the BH Cosmetics Nude 10 color blush palette. The 3 colors right here. I'm so bad at this. Also, like, someone the other day messaged me on Instagram saying I was very blush heavy. You're very right. I like a lot of blush because I think blush is such a beautiful thing. I don't think people wear enough blush because people are scared of blush. I'm gonna go for Jouer Skinny Dip. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Holy. This is what it looks like right here. This just like looks blinding, and honestly it really is blinding. Like, I don't know if you can see. Oh yes, you can. It's a very blinding product. Like, wow. Jouer literally killed it with this one. I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush from this set. It's a dual chrome brush, and I'm just gonna, do you see? How is one supposed to act right when you're literally blinding everyone? Listen, Linda. You can't tell me nothing with this highlighter. For my nose, I'm gonna take this very little brush like so, just so I can really, oh! That's all I gotta say. This is sickening. This is deathly. Wow. Jouer, you did that. Like, I bought this highlighter on Sephora and I was like, do I really need it? And I was like, yes I do. We love the blinding sister. I'm gonna take the Rimmel Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil in the shade Tiramisu. I'm gonna overline my lips because I love big lips and I cannot lie. I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen Lipsticks in the shade Evelyn. Sorry. Just put her on the center, press, and then I'm just gonna blend it out this way. I'm now going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Universal Fenty Glow. They came out with a new shade. I'm buying the new shade, by the way. But yeah, I'm gonna hide this. And now I'm gonna take the Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper. It's the same as the highlighter, but in lip topper form. And I'm gonna pop her on my finger and then just pat her in the center of my lips. This is stunning. Wow, we love Jouer Cosmetics. Okay, this video suddenly turned out like very warm toned, but here's the final look. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, we did talk about some pretty real stuff in here, so if you guys have thoughts, leave them in the comments section down below. If you guys like me and my personality or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't forget anytime I upload, so you're always aware. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.